The cycle. Perfect python skin.
A raw power, hidden within perfect lines. This is the python raised in strictly controlled environments, where science meets nature. Every individual is cared for to achieve optimal size and skin quality. They grow, becoming a precious source of raw material for expert artisans. The time has come for harvest. The procedure is executed swiftly, professionally, and leaving no trace. The procedure is executed swiftly, professionally, and leaving no trace.
From living muscle, it transforms into a fabric woven by nature.
Each skin is unique. We must preserve every line, every pattern.
This is the first step to turning raw hide into an immortal material. The tanning process takes weeks. It is a secret formula that gives the leather suppleness and durability.
This step ensures the final material is pliable, resilient, and ready for the artisan's touch. From the industrial plant, we enter the world of art, where every detail is measured by experience and passion.
The precision of the cut determines the life of the final product.
The python skin now finds a new purpose. It becomes a timeless, symbolic masterpiece.
A legacy preserved through every stitch, every perfect scale.
The cycle is complete, from a colossal life to the masterpiece you can carry. Next episode, the giant Wagyu cattle.